So this one, I said, yeah, I bring this as well. Sweet. Okay. Hi, Tito Grandma B.
Hi, Tito Grandma.
Hi, Lisa. Lisa.
Lisa.
Stop licking that. Dirty. Daddy, handsome?
No.
No?
How does it move?
You
It's
are.
my color. Down, back.
Oh, look, this looks like a happy face. When I turn it, it's a happy face. Look, this is my... Maulan talaga ngayon mga kachika, oh. Tingnan nyo. Wala kang gaanong kita. Gaanong makita natin yung ating view. Oh, yeah, that way.
This way. Kuy, umaambon man to. Let's go. Dito na kami mga kachika, nagparking lang si Mr. Hinatid niya lang kami doon sa may kung saan yung drop off. And we're on the way. So habang nag-antay kami kay Mr. mag-ano lang muna tayo dito kung ano yung view mga kachika. Hindi talaga maganda yung weather ba kay Misty. And siya dyan. Be don't waste the water, be. Dapat pala dyan kami dumaan. Don't pull the bag, please.
Look at the seahorses. Look, look at that.
Yeah.
Look, fishing.
That one.
Wait.
Saan kayo si Mr. mag-parking? Matagal-tagal pa yata yun. Dito wala kami mga kachika sa Welcome to National Marine Aquarium. We're in Plymouth. Ito yung the biggest aquarium in the UK. At first time namin dito, first time din namin mga bata. Ako din ay sa buong buhay ko ay first time ko din makapapasok ng aquarium. Hindi ko alam kung saan pa si Mr. Umuulan din mga kachika, umaambon pala. Na?
Zombies, scary. That's what...
Alisa. Sure. Oh wow, yeah.
Look at this.
Oh my goodness.
It's just a Look. What is this called?
Coral reef, daddy no?
Coral, yeah.
Coral reef.
And there's some here. A stingray. Yeah, some stingrays.
Oh, yeah, I see.
This is all tiny.
Oh, hello.
Fish.
Give me a big kiss.
Go.
Give me a big kiss.
Ow.
Get the lips for it.
Mga kachika, sadly seagrass is now considered to be an endangered habitat. No. Yeah, shark, small.
Oh, there's a small one.
Yeah.
That's a shark. Oh, Daddy, look at that. Scared me.
There's the bigger one there.
Oh my God!
Oh my goodness.
Big one.
And
This
eat.
is shark.
And eat.
This is shark.
What the- Look at that.
Wow, look at him.
I think that's a bigger one.
She's scared of Lisa.
Oh, did he
Stingray.
touch you? He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming.
This is shark.
They're friends.
Oh, look, mommy, there's an Oh, that's a big shark. Where? Oh my god, I can see it. I see the big shark. Big shark.
Touch him. Tickle him.
Oh my
Tickle him.
goodness.
Tickle
Oh
him.
my goodness.
Tickle him.
Tickle
him.
Say tortoise.
Oh, Turtle.
Oh my.
Look at it.
Careful. Yung nakita namin doon sa taas, same lang pala to dito. Malalim pala to. Yung doon sa taas mga kachika ba nakita namin na may mga sharks.
I think that's a ship.
You like it, Lina?
Yeah. Mommy.
Go find some more. Oh, very sharp.
Yes. Exactly. What that
Look, Lisa. A seahorse face. I can see a seahorse.
Yeah.
Look at the carrot. It's eating.
Oh my.
Is that it?
There.
Oh, wow, there.
Yeah.
Ah.
Na, put it back there now. And that's it.
That's it?
You can put hot chocolate.
Finish that? Okay.
Chocolate sprinkle. Lisa,
Don't touch the
don't
tray.
move
Don't
it,
touch
please.
the tray. Don't touch the tray. It's very hot. You got juice and everything?
Yeah. Juice.
Want ice cream as well?
No, they don't want ice cream, Daddy, because they have only here. They already have here.
What? What ice cream?
They don't want ice cream because they just want drink.
Ah. She said you want ice cream.
No. Not having ice cream as well. That's it. Ito pala yung ano, nandito kami sa may cafe, mga kachikay. I can see it. Ito lang naman mga kachika na gano'n sir. Ako, cappuccino si Mr. Ayaw man niya mag-drink. Tapos, ayan lang naman, binili namin sa mga bata. And then, yun, mag-explore na naman kami kasi mag-close na din yung cafe. 4 o'clock na din, no, the cafe close. And then, yeah. Then, yan, pupunta kami dadalhin namin yung mga bata doon sa palaruan. Yan yung view natin. Tagak-tag agad. Magano tayo kay, hindi niyo ako ganong maririnig ba? Kuya, nandyan sa likod. Manong, silip-silip. May mga baon naman din sana ako na snacks na mga kachika. Kumain yan sila ng ano eh. Nag-lunch din muna kami bago kami umalis ng bahay. Tapos, ito, marami akong orange at saka grapes. Meron nga ako nito. Marami akong baon kasi alam niyo na pag umalis kami talaga ng bahay, kahit saan man kami pupunta, palagi talaga ako may bit-bit, di ba? Ganon. Yeah, I bring this one as well. Alina asked me if I bring also this one. I said, yeah, I bring this as well. Why you look like that? Huh? Why you look? You're joking. Nagjo-joke lang pala yan siya mga kachika. Joke-joke lang pala yan. Chinik-check ko to kasi akala ko hindi naka-light kasi pag hindi yan naka-light tapos magsasalita ako, hindi ako niyan maririnig. Finish your drinks, huh? Yeah? How about you, na? Lina? Busy eating, oy. Yeah. Mali pala yung entrance na napuntahan namin kanina, mga kachika. There. Tingin-tingin tayo ng gift shop. Oh my goodness, $7.50. Pero maganda din siya. Ito, ang laki naman. $7.99. Wala, not much different.
What's that?
I want to get this one.
What is it?
I want to get this one.
Octopus.
Octopus.
Oh my goodness, no.
How much is it?
I'm not gonna pay for that. 30 pounds.
Get you.
Daddy pay for it. I'm not gonna pay. Hello, look at this squid.
Squid.
Squid. Ang mahal, ginoo ko. Sabi ko ako magbabayad. Hindi ako magbabayad. Squid.
It's a squid, is it?
Seahorse.
Change mine.
Change your mind. Oh, maybe this one na lang. Small.
Yeah, a small one. How about this one? That's good. Shark. Lina.
$7.99. So many. That's something that you can, use it. How about you, Lisa? Ito yung one. Nalilito na yung mga bata kung ano yung pipiliin nila eh.
Mama, I want this one.
Which one?
That.
What's that one? Para naman tong ano? Ahas.
You want the seahorse, right? Anina, you want a seahorse,
Yeah.
right?
Because I mean, guys. Let's focus.
Lisa.
You say thank you to that.
Thank you, Daddy.
Lisa.
Alisa,
Okay.
say thank you.
Thank you, Lisa. Thank you.
Okay?
That it?
Yeah.
Done?
More than 1 hour, nearly 2 hours. Okay, tara be. Oh, the bus is not there now, be. It's gone now, the bus. Oh, na pala kami mga kachika. Alisa!
How do you get out of here?
This way.
Do we?
Oh,
Oh.
have to go back.
Alisa, put your coat on.
Give me that. Psst. Uy! Alisa, magpa 4 o'clock na din pala ng hapon mga kachika. 3:58 na. Can I get caught? What? That's the way we came in. Maybe we go this way. Where did you park? Where did you park? Just in the corner? We can go that way or this way. Yeah. Okay, tara! Okay, you go. Okay, run. Your bag is gonna get wet and then gonna ruin. You share with me the umbrella, Lisa. Lina na lang share with me.
I can see a park.
It's wet.
Wet, soaky wet. Bye.
Nice here. Sabi ko nga, Mr. We moved this here, this area, city, Plymouth. Malapit lang pala to kung saan kami nag staycation noong. It's not that far where we goes for Alina's birthday. Alisa, sige. Alisa, bye.
Bye, Lisa.
A lot of wild berries as well. Oh, what you call this one, Daddy? Blackberries?
Yeah. Blackberries.
When she sees people, she'll be running.
Sabi ko ka, Mr. We move this, ano ba? Area mga kachika ba? Sabi niya, we will look daw. Here or somewhere. Pero hindi na yata doon kung saan kami ngayon ba. Banda. Nag-change kami. Okay, tara. Eating the berries. Yeah. She got something. She got it in her mouth. She likes sour. Alisa, you're funny. Alan P, put your hood up. Alan P. Ala. Hindi namin pinagkukuha ng mga tao. Si, kahit umuulan talaga, dadaan daw kami dito. Lumalakas na din yung ulan. Give me the bag. Okay, you keep your raincoat on, ha? Doon pala yung pinuntahan namin. Yan dyan, malapit lang. Kaya nakita nila na may dito, may ganito.
Oh, this one.
At ako naman ay nilalamig. Sand. Ay, ginoo ko. It's getting, the rain, it's get heavy. Ganda dito mga kachika. City kasi to dito. Maraming mga historic. Ayan. Dito kami sa University of Plymouth Marine Station. Pupunta tayo dito. Upo ako. Hindi upo. Kung ayusin ko lang yung bit-bit ko. Dito kasi medyo may kahoy-kahoy. Malakas na talaga yung ulan. Lina, keep your hood up na! Keep your hood up, please. Doon naman sa loob ng ng aquarium mga kachika, National Marine Aquarium. Meron sanang doon soft play area ng mga bata. Kaso nag-close sila ng maaga today dahil wala bang staff ganon. Close sila. So nagpunta na sana kami doon kaya na-excited na sana yung mga bata kasi sinabi ko din na meron doon soft play nila. So pagdating namin doon kay close na 3:30 na din yon. So magko-close pala yung niyan, yung aquarium na yan ay na 5 o'clock. Lamig na. Uy!
It's itchy. How about it's itchy?
Okay, you take it up you carry the ko. You don't need to put that on the raincoat. Just carry it. Left. Lefty.
You need to wait, Daddy. And open it. I want.
So you dragging it?
I'm dropping it on the floor here.
Closing.
I'm going to look way in the dark.
Not too much, please.
Lift going up.
Stuck in lift.
Yeah, I got phobia now. Yeah.
Oh, bless you.
Car park level 4.
That's quick.
Doors opening.
That's quick.
Yeah, it's quick. Karan, saan?
Jellyfish. We have jellyfish.
Phobia na ako mga kachika ba pag papasok ako ng left.
Jellyfish.
Takot na ako.
Grab that.
Hold my hands, please. Ah, yeah, so
There. Oh, there.
Here's the pay machine.
I'll give you the car phone.
Okay, tara. You have to hold my hands, please. Car park. Car park. What's the fruits? You're eating the
I'm
fruits.
gonna
na
put
mga
this in my bunk. I'm gonna
in
put
your
this-
bed, yeah, in your bed, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this in here because he's cute. And look at his face.
Mm.
He's cute.
Mm. Nice. Bigat-bigat ba yung aking bag? Daming laman kung ano-ano o kaya pala mabigat na kaya nandito pala yung tubig. Kalimutan ko, nilagay ko pala yung tubig ni Alisa sa loob.
Look how susu in that. A susu.
Wala pala akong suklay. Suklay sana ako kay pati yung book ni Alina nagpilit na ba dahil sa ano mga kachika ba? Ulan, medyo naambunan kami, kaunti.
See how susu.
Kasi nga 'di ba pumunta kami doon sa playground, hindi na nagtagal kay lumakas yung ulan. Tapos nung umalis na kami doon sa playground, nag-ano na naman siya. Huminto na naman yung ulan.
No, Papa. No, say,
Okay din naman, yung bayad pala doon sa bata, 3 years old to 15 years old yata. 15 pounds. And then, 3 years old to 10 years old yata ay 15 pounds. So, 15 pounds kay Aluna, 15 pounds kay Alisa. Kay Mr. naman, kasi senior na siya, 23. Ako naman ay 25. Ganun. Para sa mga adult, 25. Sa kids naman ay 15. Tapos ang senior citizen ay 23. Ganun. Hubarin ko lang to kaya hindi naman malamig pag nasa loob ka na ng sasakyan, no? Dito na pala si Mayor. Sige na, pag-eat na mo there, fruits. Make sure you finish your fruits. Hello!
Supposed to pay in your ride. Here you go. Very nice.
Oh?
Yeah, stupid.
Oh my God.
I didn't get a ticket, but I got this now.
It's supposed to be to you
Huh?
pay daw ang mga kachika when you arrive. So,
What?
hindi man niya nabasa.
Who's to know? Can't say. I'll have to peel again. Peel.
How much you paid?
£5 something.
5 pounds. Hey, it's not so expensive, Daddy, no,
What?
the parking.
Isn't it?
Unlike in Exeter, it's crazy there, the money. Remember when we was in that for 5 hours, we only paid 5 pounds. When we went to
Come in.
to what's that one? Yung nag-restaurant kami noong unang punta namin dito.
Right. Give me something more hands.
Hands. Ano naman yung pinagagawa niya dyan? So, ano na pala mga kachika, magpa 5 o'clock na kaya sobrang traffic na kami doon. Kaya we decided na mag-stop lang muna kami dito sa may Pizza Hut.
Yeah.
At ayun, para look at the traffic there. It's everywhere, Daddy, no?
Yeah. So I might cool down about now.
Here's your mommy.
So I'm sitting in traffic.
Papasok lang muna kami dito and then ayun, baka mamaya tamang-tama maya-maya medyo mag-ano na yan siya, rush hour na kasi.
Let's get in there.
Okay, dyan kami pupunta.
Don't get your food. It's ready. Birthday. We go there again. It's Nina's birthday.
Yeah, you like the place there?
Yeah.
You like the place, huh?
No.
Okay, put your sandals on.
Oh, jeez.
That's a good choice, that.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Yeah, they like it there.
You're sitting on my tortoise.
It's good for their.
Hey, you're sitting on my tortoise.
Mm. Marami silang salad doon mga kachika. Free lang yung salad nila. Kaso parang hindi man masarap. Ngayon pala yung coleslaw at saka ito. Potato salad yata to. Tikman natin.
I wish it was like a hub. When I grow up, I would be a solid rock. One of the things I want to do is be a solid rock. That's the circus thing.
Unlimited, magbabayad ka nito. Pero unlimited siya mga kachika. Mainom ka as much as you can. Pepsi diet daw to.
Well, what's your glass?
Maraming salad doon. Alisa like the raisin and cucumber.
Not very much.
Yeah, if you eat it, the one I put there. Kuha tayo ng salad mga kachika. Ito pala yung mga salad-salad nila. Kuha lang ako ng dressing. Ito na lang yung kukunin kong dressing. I'm not sure kung ano to. I-try lang natin. Ganyan siya. Ganyan yung mga salad nila. Dagdagan ko pa kaunti.
That's like dinosaur eggs, Mommy.
Sorry naman, in-order namin mga katsika na.
Oh, look good.
It looks good.
Huh?
Look good. Ganyan. Ito lang naman. Tapos yung salad. Like that. Pepperoni at saka margarita.
I did
Well,
this.
Alina's got pepperoni. Switch it round.
No, you can, she can get one from Alisa and she can get as well from
Can you do
Alina.
this?
Ito lang in-order na yun mga katsika kasi
I'll have one.
kami lang din naman. Tapos yung mga bata, meron naman sa kanila. Good? Good?
Not bad. It's hot.
Oh! No, wait.
Okay, my turn. I'll do it by myself, Mommy.
That's it.
I'll do it.
Okay.
I'll do it.
Okay, you do it. Harder. A little bit more. Ooh, that's it.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Nina, this berry. Nina! What's it?
You don't want the sauce?
Yeah.
No?
I want sauce. After
Then
when
strawberry.
After I finish.
Sige na.
I got so much.
Limited din yung ice cream nila mga kachika. Pero nagbayad kami dito, syempre.
Then it's some sauce. It's strawberry.
Okay. That's it now. You can put different one. How about this one? Oh. Strawberry sauce.
And from this. I'll do it.
And that one as well. Oh, look at the stars. Stars. I think that's it. One strawberry sauce. Okay. How about raspberry? You want?
Wait, look at my ice cream.
Okay, that's it.
Look at my ice cream.
Ooh. Okay. How about here? You want this one, Lisa? You have chocolate, raspberry. Oh, it's not strawberry. It's raspberry. You want one?
Which one is strawberry?
There's no strawberry, only raspberry and chocolate.
And this one?
Yeah, same. Okay, that's it now. You want more?
Yeah. It's the same color as well.
Yeah, same color.
Mummy, they have colors and more salsa.
Okay, change.
That's this, a showcase, shortcut.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
You want some of that, Lisa? Chocolate?
More.
Okay, that's it now.
I'm gonna show this to Daddy.
Oh, here, that's it now.
Oh my god, you got. Mine's the best. This one's the best, and these are me.
Both the best. Oh, look at that.
Oh, sprinkles.
Sprinkles. How about yours na? Hindi ka anong kumain. Si Alisa hindi pa kumain ng pizza. Si Alina lang. So, ito mga kachika. Want more, Daddy?
Huh?
You want more pizza? No?
I'm full.
I'm full, huh?
I'm not going to fill on this.
No. We did take home na lang namin yan. Pati yung pizza ng mga bata. I'm gonna go in the toilet first. Why you embarrassed?
It's got your name on it.
I didn't embarrass if I'm using your card.
Yeah. It's embarrassing.
It's embarrassing. Sabi ko kasi ako yung magbabayad mga kachika. Binigay ko sa kanya yung card ko. Sabi niya ayaw niya daw. Nahiya daw siya. Can you go there na ask the bell?
Let me go.
Oh, it's still raining. Oh, look at that. Oh.
Okay, I will show you the way. Come in. I give it back. Okay. I love you all. Then you be married.
Board.
I won't need a board. Because I'm not cutting on anything, I'm just cutting the... like that.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
That's like that. And then...
Mga bata nandun na sa taas naglalaro pa mga kachika. Laro agad.
Yeah. That's it. Just like that.
Ang sarap to. Hindi siya pulang-pula pero matamis siya mga kachika.
What about...
Nice presentation.
That's what it is. Presentation. Alright.
Pahinga muna ng mga kachika. 7:25 na pala ng gabi. You wash your hands. Kaya bumaba na yung dalawa. Kapakain namin yung itong fruits. Sawa? Tapos yun na nga. Yun yung sabi ko sa inyo ba na yun yung plan namin. It's either ngayong doon banda kami maghahanap or lilipat. Pero meron pa naman kaming time mga kachika September. So meron pa kami mga at least mga 3 months na mag-ano pa. Pero yun na nga. Nagtingin-tingin naman kami ng mga bahay-bahay. Ganon, so...
Mama, I don't want to wash my hands.
You wash your hands?
Yeah.
Malalaman na lang natin kung saan tayo kami nito. Dito na side or that side. It's sweet, Alina. Basta kayo lilipat na din kami.
Because you don't wash them properly.
Kasi gusto ko na magpasko kami, tapos mag New Year doon na kami sa bago naming lilipatan ba. Sweet. Kain po.
Time for. Yuck, yucky.
It's a bit sour.
Yeah.
Eat na lang. This one.
I like strawberries.
Good sa no? Watermelon.
I'm fine. I don't want it with no seeds.
It's okay, you can eat the seeds.
Fine.
Doing fruit mukbang. Fruits mukbang. Fruits mukbang.
Fruit?
I'm some watermelon now.